If you want simple research-backed ways to support healthy arteries, these 4 drinks can help. Hey everyone, I'm Muthukumar, and welcome to Medicine and Health Info MK. In my practice, patients often ask me about easy, everyday changes they can make for their heart health. It's a great question because small, consistent habits are often the most powerful. We're not talking about extreme diets or impossible routines today. Instead, we're focusing on things you can easily add to your day, things you might even enjoy, that have real science behind them when it comes to supporting your circulation and keeping your arteries in good shape. So what are we diving into? We're going to break down 4 specific drinks that studies suggest can have a positive impact on your blood flow. Green tea, beetroot juice, pomegranate juice, coffee. We'll look at the why behind each one, the active compounds that make them effective. And I'll give you practical tips on how much to drink and what to look for when you're at the grocery store. Think of this as your quick 5-minute guide to sipping your way to better circulatory support. My goal here on Medicine and Health Info MK is to cut through the noise and give you clear, actionable health information you can trust. Let's be honest, the internet is full of wild claims. I'm here to bring it back to the evidence and help you understand how your body works. So, grab a glass of water, or maybe one of the drinks we're about to discuss, and let's get started on these 4 simple sips for better blood flow. First up on our list is a classic something that's been consumed for centuries for its health benefits: green tea. When we talk about artery health, one of the biggest villains is inflammation. Chronic inflammation can damage the inner lining of our arteries, the endothelium. That damage can kickstart atherosclerosis, plaque buildup. This is where green tea steps in as a hero. It's rich in antioxidants called catechins. The most famous catechin is epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. These compounds are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Think of catechins as your body's cleanup crew. They neutralize harmful free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and damage cells, including blood vessel cells. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, green tea protects the endothelium. A healthy endothelium is flexible and smooth. Blood flows freely. When it's damaged, it becomes sticky. Cholesterol and other substances start forming plaque. So a daily cup of green tea is like giving your arteries a protective shield. Multiple studies link regular green tea with better cardiovascular health. Next, let's talk about something a bit more vibrant and earthy: beetroot juice. This deep red drink is gaining a lot of attention in the health and fitness world. Its power lies in its incredibly high concentration of inorganic nitrates. When you hear nitrates, you might think processed meats, but these are different. These are naturally occurring nitrates from a vegetable, handled very differently by your body. It's a fantastic example of nature providing powerful tools for our health. Here's the magic. When you drink beetroot juice, bacteria in your mouth convert dietary nitrates into nitrites. After you swallow, nitrite travels to the stomach and some converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is absorbed into the bloodstream and acts as a potent vasodilator. Vasodilator means it relaxes and widens your blood vessels. Imagine a narrow pipe suddenly becoming wider. Same fluid, less pressure. That vasodilation is crucial for circulation and blood pressure. Widened arteries let blood flow more easily and efficiently throughout your body. This helps lower blood pressure. Let's move on to our third drink, which is as delicious as it is beneficial: pomegranate juice. This fruit has been revered for its medicinal properties for thousands of years, and modern science is now confirming why. Pomegranates are absolutely packed with a unique and potent blend of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols like punicalagins and anthocyanins. In fact, pomegranate juice has been found to have higher antioxidant capacity than red wine, and even our first drink, green tea. These antioxidants are key players in the fight against artery damage. One of the primary ways pomegranate juice helps is by improving endothelial function. Its health is crucial for regulating blood flow and preventing plaque buildup. The polyphenols in pomegranate juice appear to stimulate the production of nitric oxide, that same vasodilator molecule we talked about with beetroot juice. This helps keep the arteries relaxed and flexible, promoting healthy circulation and helping to manage blood pressure. Our final drink might surprise some of you. It often gets a mixed reputation. Coffee. So there you have it, a quick look at 4 simple drinks that can support artery health and blood flow. Antioxidant-rich green tea, the nitrate-packed beetroot juice, the polyphenol powerhouse pomegranate juice, and even moderate black coffee. The common thread here is that these drinks contain powerful, naturally occurring compounds that fight inflammation and oxidative stress, which are the root causes of so much arterial damage. Incorporating these into your week is a small, manageable step you can take for your long-term cardiovascular health. The best part is that it doesn't feel like a chore. It's about enjoying a warm cup of tea or a refreshing juice. For more evidence-based tips just like this, designed to help you make informed decisions about your health, I'd love for you to subscribe to Medicine and Health Info MK. My goal is to empower you with knowledge, one video at a time. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss what's next.